Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's gonna be a wake up and clean with me. So I just got out of bed. I'm still in my PJs, but hey, let's get the day started. I'm gonna go downstairs. I am super excited because I finally got furniture for the dining room area, just right on time, guys. Just before the holidays. So we got a dining table and chairs, and that is what matters. So let's head downstairs and get breakfast first and get to cleaning. Guys, we're finally home. Okay, I'm too excited, I know. So today I'm going to be making breakfast. I am so happy to finally be back on track. The whole move, the whole construction really took a toll on me, and I wasn't taking good care of myself. So now I'm finally back on track and I'm doing my healthy breakfast and meals, and obviously trying to get healthier and lose the extra weight that I gained in this past few months. But I have to put you guys onto my new vitamin supplements because I am obsessed with them. So I have been using ritual vitamins for about 2 months. This is my second month. And you guys, I am currently obsessed because they're super easy to swallow. They don't make me nauseous or anything. I could take this on an empty stomach if I wanted it to. And you only take 2 capsules a day. 2 capsules a day contain 9 high quality nutrients from D3 to omega 3. Rito has vitamins for men and women, and also they have prenatals for anyone that is expecting, and they just added vitamins for kids as well and teenagers. That is awesome. The whole family could enjoy Rito vitamins. It's better health doesn't happen overnight, and right now Rito is offering you all 10% off on your first 3 months subscription. I'm telling you, you guys are gonna love this subscription. Check the link on the description box. Use my code to get the 10% off for the first 3 months. You're gonna get your pills for $1 a day. In first, so I show you, here's the beautiful dining table that I chose for my new home, and of course the old chairs are pretty similar to the ones that I used to have in New York. This one just have acrylic legs. I went for that look on this home, and the hubby was so nice to assemble all of that for me. Thank you, babe. These are the side rods that I purchased from Amazon. I just wanted to share them with you because I thought they were at a really good price compared to other places. Wanted to give you a little reminder of how the space looked before. This is how it looks now, you guys. I'm telling you, the transformation of the renovations we've done are just so beautiful. We added new flooring into the entire house. If you follow me on Instagram, then you guys probably seen a lot of the sneak peeks of the renovations, and we added new lighting throughout. So here I'm just gonna add this beautiful window treatment that I picked up at Amazon as well. These are 108 inches long and 52 inches wide. Very affordable for the quality. I love it. I went for this off-white grayish color. That's what I'm going to use throughout the home. We are planning to do custom blinds, but we're not there yet. And here comes baby Jay. He decided to help mommy. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. So to vacuum my floors, I'm using a new cordless vacuum that I got from Tamak, and you guys, I am super happy. I hope I'm pronouncing their name right, but this brand, I am obsessed with it. This is a very lightweight vacuum, very affordable if you ask me. It comes with lights, and also it comes with different attachments that you could use for easy cleaning. So you should come back home to me, and when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. So to decorate my table this year, I'm gonna keep things very simple. I got this garland at Home Goods and it was on clearance, and I'm just gonna give it a facelift. So for the cherry picks that came with the garland, I decided to spray paint them white and add a little bit of glitter because, you know, glam is always good around here. So at my local Aldi, I found this LED string light that I'm going to be adding to my garland. Super cool because it was only like $3 each set. For centerpiece, I'm going to be using candles holders that I got at Ross, and also these beautiful deers that I picked up at Home Goods. And I'm just going to add a little bit of bling to them because you guys know me. I add my glam all over the place. So it's a beautiful, simple Christmas table escape, and to be quite honest, I'm loving the simplicity. I'm adding these candle holders here from Ross as well. This was $4.99 each, and just again adding a little bit of sparkle. So I found the perfect bar cart a couple of months ago on Amazon, and here I am. I'm just setting this up. And you guys, again, I'm gonna keep it very minimal to the decorations. Remember, we are new into this home and I have no decor, and the stores have no decor at all. I got this pretty tray at Home Goods, I think, no, Burlington, for $12.99.
Isn't this how it making our Christmas memories? I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running.
How the dining room looks now, you guys. This space looks totally transformed. Granted, I am missing a lot of furniture pieces and decor, but once I get there it will look amazing. I mean, I'm loving it. This beautiful light fixture, I picked it up at a local store called El Dorado. It was less than $600, you guys.
Good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas